when we talk about a big industrial scale job or work. Not forgetting the power-hungry tools you need along as well. This job requires some pretty heavy, powerful, Superman-type support equipment to keep up with these kinds of tools and jobs. The best 80-gallon air compressor is the most suitable partner for you. These giants have raw power with refined internal components. There are many products available to choose 80-gallon air compressor, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best 80-gallon air compressor from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Dual Cast Iron Industrial Air Compressor. This beastly dual 80-gallon air compressor is built for tough job sites. We pick out a unit that is also well constructed for great performance for the professionals, as well as efficient in durability. Now, this dual 80-gallon air compressor is equipped with an industrial class tops motor. The 5 HP heavy-duty motor is single-phase and is operated on 230 volts. The motor is immunized from voltage variations with the thermal overload protection system. Another great feature is that it does not need a magnetic startup. The massive storage tank with high pressure makes it perfect for a variety of pneumatic tools. Number 2. Industrial Air 80-gallon air compressor. With its 7.5 horsepower, the Industrial Air is a powerful compressor that can run several devices at the same time. The compressor is ideal for auto body or agricultural uses. Industrial Air is owned by Matt Holdings, which also engineers pneumatic air tools. The vertical integration between the compressor and air tool lines allows for more efficiency while increasing the product's quality. Some cool features. Cast iron materials are used in the tank and the compressor pump. A pre-wired and mounted automatic starter saves time and money. The patented deep groove cooling fins and cast iron flywheel design, low 765 RPM, and metal belt guard allow the machine to run cooler, increasing the motor's life. An extended tank drain valve and vibration isolators. An optional automatic tank drain eliminates manual draining. Max cycle time is 45 minutes, and the discharge time is under 10 seconds. And the optional maintenance kit extends the warranty and contains filter elements, oil, and V-belts. Number 3. EMAX 10 HP Quiet 80-gallon air compressor. The EMAX compressor quiet air compressor may not be the cheapest option on this list, but it will prove its worth once you set it up. Specially built for industrial use, the compressor is dependable, and it can give you up to 50,000 hours of use if you properly maintain it. Additionally, it is designed to run at lower revolutions per minute due to its bigger bore and stroke. You will also be impressed by the compressor's super quiet nature, thanks to the pressure switches and the check valves with Teflon seating. Overall, the compressor is a worthy contender if you can look past its high price. Number 4. Powmade 80-gallon electric air compressor. The Powmade VX 80-gallon is equipped with a strong 4.7 HP motor empowered by 240 V that draws a 15A current. A heavy-duty induction motor can accelerate the pump for top performance, and hassle-free working. Airflow pressure is enough to handle the impacts, hammers, and spray guns. An aluminum head and valve plate in the cast iron pump assembly to dissipate the heat efficiently. It features a durable steel gas holder with an 80 gallons capacity. The 80-gallon Titan is fixed vertically on a solid stand to save storage space. Number 5. Campbell Hospital 80-gallon 2-stage air compressor. This beast can easily run over 20 power-hungry, high-demanding air tools, as well as for different types of heavy-duty jobs. The mighty 5 HP motor operates on 230 V and consumes 22A current. It is powerful enough to run the 2-stage pump with the drive belt. The drive pulley and the belt are covered with a lattice for safe and sound operation. With a maximum 175 psi pressure rating, the unit can operate over 20 hungry air tools. It can tackle any tasks such as sanding, grinding, painting, and cutting. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.